Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Roblox password on smartphone. This method works for both iOS and Android. So let's begin. Now here is the Roblox application. I'm going to open this application. So you can either open this application on your Android or iOS. And then after opening the application, you should click on More on the lower right corner. Now in More, scroll down and then head to Settings. In Settings, click on Account Info. So after heading to Account Info, you can see that your password here is starred, and then from here you need to click on the pen and paper icon beside the password. Now after clicking the pen and pen icon, you will find this Change Password box. From here, you need to enter your current password. After entering current password, you need to enter your new password. And then you need to confirm your new password. After you have confirmed your new password, the update button will unlock, and then you can simply click on the update button right over here and your password will be changed. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.